How to start a clothing brand. 20 key focus areas to launching a successful fashion label. Starting a clothing brand is an exciting but multifaceted endeavor that requires careful planning and execution. Begin by conducting thorough market research to identify your target audience, understand current trends, and analyze competitors. Develop a unique brand identity that sets your clothing line apart, encompassing your aesthetic, values, and mission. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your brand positioning, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Secure the necessary funding through personal savings, loans, or investors to cover initial expenses like manufacturing, branding, and marketing. Source reliable and ethical suppliers or manufacturers to ensure the quality and consistency of your products. Build an online presence through a well-designed website and leverage social media platforms to connect with your audience. Develop a cohesive marketing strategy that includes influencer collaborations, pop-up events, and other promotional activities. Launch your clothing brand with a small, curated collection and gradually expand as you gain traction. Stay adaptable, listen to customer feedback, and continuously refine your brand to thrive in the competitive fashion industry. This article covers: number 1, overall steps to starting a clothing brand. Number 2, learn 5 ideas on how to come up with a unique clothing brand name. Number 3, how to register your clothing brand. Number 4, learn 5 steps and resources that can help you design your clothing. 6, do you have to know how to draw to design your own clothing brand? The answer is no, especially when you have digitalfashionpro.com fashion design software to design your clothing. 7. This in-depth article also covers: what type of apparel should I design first for my clothing brand? 8. How much does it cost to start a clothing brand? Also, learn how Digital Fashion Pro software can help you start your own clothing line from scratch. To read this full guide, visit digitalfashionpro.com and click on Clothing Line, then this article.